Hello and welcome to another Prolex Media unboxing. And on today's show, we got the Osmo Action. Let's jump into it. That's the intro music, I think.
Having intro music?
No, I don't think so, but whatever. The Osmo Action. So I first heard about it when we did the Prolex podcast about 3 weeks ago. By the way, if you haven't checked out the Prolex podcast, it's on YouTube if you're watching this on YouTube, or it's on Spotify called The Prolex Podcast, where we talked about tech news as one of the things on a podcast, and this came up. And when I saw this, I was like, this is basically what I use for vlogs, being the GoPro Hero 7 Black, but with a screen on the front. And immediately I was like, I need this, because the Hero 7 does not have a screen in the front, so when you're shooting yourself, you're kind of like guessing if you're in the frame, maybe you're not in the frame, maybe you got double chins, maybe you have no hair, whatever. Anyways, so then I was like, okay, we need to have this, and we have like a project that we need to bury the Hero 7 with, or for, I guess, so I was like, perfect timing to get this. So I ordered it. First impression, like everything DJI, they look like they're really trying to look like Apple by their packaging. It's very compact, very kind of like elegant and clean, and the seal is nice. The box looks good, very nice design to it. So, so let's look like the front. I guess you just got the image of it in the water, obviously bragging about the fact that it's waterproof. Looks like a Hero 7 in my opinion. It's black, has a camera, same shape, whatever. On the back, what do we got here? Just a little bit of description. That's boring. Let's just... That didn't go as planned. Yeah, there you go. Okay, well, I was hoping that it would just like rip, you know, like those like things that they do like basketball games where they rip off their like pants or whatever and the shorts underneath. Anyways, we still haven't got a really cool Prolex Media knife. So we got these very lame, child-proof 1980s scissors. So we're gonna use these to open, and it's kind of a shame opening such a cool product with such lame scissors, but whatever. God damn it. Wow, they really don't want people to steal these things. Oh, okay, I guess it just rips. That's cool. Wow, very theft proof. We got a little pad for protection. All right, let's go. Okay, so that's what you get right out of the box. Looks like this. What else is in there? This just doesn't want to. There you go. Okay, good. Okay, so the pad goes there. These air freshener can go there. Austin, you want to use this for the office? Okay, sounds good. Anyways, so let's see. What do we got here? So you got, first of all, you got the. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to tell you what that is. I'm going to take everything out of the box first. All right, I think that's all. What is this? That stuff. This stuff. That's garbage. And we got the camera itself. Boom, garbage. Okay, let's go over the boring stuff first. As per usual, we got the, it looks like instruction manual. Don't need that. For more information, visit our website. Boom, don't need that either. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we got the, it looks like the battery with its own case. That's a nice touch. GoPro doesn't do that. And it actually looks like this is a slot for a micro SD card. So that's kind of cool. So that's that, boom. Okay, we got a sticky 3M tape thing that you mount the camera onto, I guess, for whatever purposes. We got another one that has a curvature, kind of like curve angle to it. I don't know if top camera can see that. So that's, I'm assuming, for helmets or for, yeah, helmets and stuff like that. Okay, and then in here, what do we got here? Looks like, oh, two things. Okay, so the fastening mount for the GoPro to fasten to the attachments, and then we got a cable, so USB-C cable, I guess, for charging and transferring footage. Yeah, and this is the camera itself. So, ooh, this thing has the seals on it. This is my favorite part of every unboxing, when there's screens and you get like the peel. Okay, I'm gonna put it close to the lab so you guys can hear it. Ready? Okay, that's good. So, and then it has this, so I guess the case for it, again, very similar kind of build and everything to the GoPro. Clearly looks like they're like used as, it's like one of those, this is one of those scenarios where they're like, here, can I see your homework? And then like you copy it and then you just change all the like the connecting words. This is what this looks like. So it looks a little different, but it looks a lot similar, very similar to the GoPro. Same kind of casing look. Looks like they added the buttons on the outside versus on the GoPro. The buttons are not on the outside. You kind of click through the case and you click the actual camera buttons. Anyways, another screen peel. Ready? One more. Whoa, that was the most satisfying one for sure. Okay, cool. So, yeah, it's nice and sturdy. It feels a little heavier to the GoPro, not gonna lie. Yeah, so I guess the battery goes in there. Let's see this. Boom. Battery out of here into here. Click. Ready? Boom. Oh. Click. There you go. So a little bit different from the GoPro, the fact that you got the battery kind of on the outside without its own kind of door, I guess, but that's not a comparison video, so we don't have to talk about that. That goes back in the case. Boom. Okay, hold on, not so much boom. I guess it's having a little trouble. I don't know what's going on here. There you go, oh, boom. Okay, there you go. There you go, there you go, okay. Okay, that's that, and that just mounts onto here. Boom. Like this, I guess. Okay, and that screws into there. So, okay, there you go. So that's that. It doesn't come with anything to mount this on like a GorillaPod, which is what I use for video. So I don't know what we're gonna do here. Looks like you need to buy another attachment that would be like this kind of spins into to have like a three-quarter thread down here, or quarter thread, or three-quarter thread, or whatever, to screw into like a tripod, or the GorillaPod I use for vlogging, which is the main purpose that we're going to use this camera for. So I don't know what we're going to do there, and that's kind of like a downside. GoPro comes with that already, and I checked the DJI website. They don't have an attachment that kind of you screw this into, and it has like a 3/4 inch bottom piece, but I'm sure there's a way to go around that. I'm sure there's stuff on Amazon to get like, you know, fix that problem. I'm really excited to start using this so I can actually see what I'm doing when I'm vlogging, because this is what I'll see. Basically the screen where I can see myself and the camera. So anyways, as mentioned, Apple is pretty much changing the game of packaging, or has changed the game ever since I remember, ever since I was like 2 years old, basically. I've been using my first iPhone. And yeah, it's been amazing, the packaging. So that's why we rate it from 0 to Apple being 10. This I'd give a solid 8 out of 10, because they're pretty much copying Apple packaging. I mean, not directly copying, but like it's very inspired by Apple, let's put it this way, which is also like a hat tip to Apple from DJI. The white box and the white packaging inside and everything's so compact, and the box is just as big as it needs to be. It's not like overly sized for no particular reason. Cardboard's high quality and all that like jazz, which obviously I don't care about because I care about this thing, but since this is an unboxing video, I'm just sharing my honest thoughts. So that's what we're gonna give it, 8 out of 10. This product's really cool. I've watched a lot of comparison videos to the GoPro Hero 7. In particular, one that stuck with me is Peter McKinnon's. Shout out Peter McKinnon, amazing dude. Or videos are amazing, whatever. But check out his comparison if you want to see a comparison video of this camera to the GoPro Hero 7. Oh, and by the way, while you're still here, check out my vlogs on my personal YouTube channel, which is going to be linked here, or there, or whatever. Just blabber it all over the place. That's where this camera is going to be used. I'm using the GoPro Hero 7 on there right now, but going to be starting using this camera on there. So if you guys want to see this camera in action, do check out my personal channel where the vlogs are posted, and I'll see you there. When you do something and you're like realize and you're like just feel a little silly or like a little stupid, yeah, that's me right now. Austin here, videographer, just basically said I unboxed it wrong. So I'm basically, this whole video was a lie because I tore it apart, as you can see. But actually, these guys are intelligent, as they should be, obviously. Multi-billion-dollar company. You just literally cut a little slit here that has a sticker, and then you open it like this, and it would like unfold, and you would have the GoPro, sorry, the DJI Osmo right here. But clearly, I just wreck things. So anyways, sorry DJI. Great packaging, by the way.